Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Kinah with KinahIAm. Today I'm going to be unboxing the June 2022 cloth and paper sub box. If you're interested in seeing, you know what to do. Go ahead and stay tuned. So I'm going to go ahead and get this off of the desk so that we can get all into it. I have the What's Inside card that says, thank you for subscribing to our June 2022 planning and stationery box. We hope you enjoyed this collection of our newest designs, stylishly created for you and your planning routine. So I'm going to stick that up there as I go through the items. And the first item up is the time timer. And there's a quote that says, the bad news is time flies. The good news is that you're the pilot. And that's a quote by Altshuler. And the caption is, we realize time management is necessary in our everyday routine. To prepare you for the various focus methods in this box, we included the time timer. It's sleek, minimal, and most importantly, portable. Keep the timer handy at your desk or carry it with you on the go. So I'm going to sit this down for a second and read the box. It says timer, 3-inch pocket, 60-minute visual timer, and dry erase card. And on the top of the box it says, Time Timer believes in creating products that truly help people of all ages and abilities conquer time. While time can be a challenge for some people, we aim to provide intuitive and innovative solutions that can make a real difference. And then there's a website there. And then there's a how it works here on the side. You have an option for 15, 30, and 45 minutes. So let's go ahead and get this opened up so we can see what's in here, what it looks like. Okay, so we have a user guide. It says there's a dry erase card inside. So there's that dry erase card. I'm not sure how we use that yet, so let's get into this. Okay, so we need to put a AA battery in. And it shows us how to adjust the clock. We can turn the sound on and off on the back. And it says read. Okay, so here on the dry erase, okay, that makes sense. On the dry erase marker, you'd be putting in what you're supposed to be doing and why you're timing it. So that makes sense. Does this open? Okay. So that's how you adjust the clock. Oh, I like that. So to 30 minutes. Okay, so let me tell you guys why I like this. Because I have a desk timer over here that I bought from Amazon. And I love it, but it only has 5, 15, 30, 45, and 60 minutes on here. Great if you are working on something at these time frames. But if not, then you have to figure it out. If you're interested in this, I'll put a link down in the description box. But I like this one because I have a little bit more control over what it is, the amount of time I want to work with. So I like that. I love the dry erase board for the reminder. I probably won't use it, but the option is always great. And then that's where you would put in your battery. So this is our time timer. It says, enjoy the time timer desktop app for free by redeeming your special code. So okay, I can get it from my phone as well. I like that. We like it. So this is the time timer in this month's box. Let's go ahead and put that over here to the side. The next item is supposed to be the Motif Dashboard, but there is a packet here I need to go ahead and open up so I can get to everything. Okay. Alright, so we have the Motif Dashboard, and it says the Motif Dashboard is a perfect way to elevate any planner. Featuring a French-inspired layout, the dashboard invokes style and tranquility in your planning routine. Turning the page will have you feeling, I'm not even attempting to butcher that French phrase. I love this, y'all. It has that soft touch finish that's super pretty. And on the back it says, the natural world is built upon common motifs and patterns. Recognizing patterns in nature creates a map for locating yourself in change and anticipating what is yet to come. And that's a quote by Sharon Wheel. So here is the Motif Dashboard, you guys. And in case you need a reminder, I did switch to half letter. So that's why, if you've been watching stuff for a really long time, you're seeing, you probably were seeing A5. So the next item up is a highlight sticker set. And it says the highlight sticker set is intentionally designed for high function and classification in your planning. The collection features 28 unique icons and symbols, perfect for reminders, notes, ideas, and more. So here we have on this first sheet, 1 of 4, 28 stickers on this sheet. We've got some check marks, some X out marks, some exclamation points, some smiley faces, and some arrows. So that is sheet 1. And then we have sheet 2 that has a pen, light bulb, an asterisk, a flag, a line, an arrow, and some brackets. So that's sheet 2. Sheet 3 matches sheet 1. So I don't know what that's about. Oh, it's a different color. So it's an exact match to this sheet. It's just in a different color. And then the same with sheet 4. So these are the 4 sheets of highlight stickers in this month's box. Let's go ahead and put that back right, or knowing me, I'll have it looking crazy on. Yes, so that's our highlights sticker set. The next item on the list is the graphic sticky note. Okay, focus please. Thank you. The graphic sticky note, so it says, this new addition to June's planning and stationery box offers multi-functionality with a transparent view. The graph sticky note is both simple and beautiful while adding extra depth to your planner pages. So we have 50 sheets here. They are 3 inches by 5 inches. They are transparent with kind of like a white tinge with the black graph lines. So let's pull that off. Stick it down on the desk so you guys can see it. I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I still have, I don't remember which box this came in, y'all, so don't shoot the messenger. But we got this pen from Cloth and Paper in a previous box. Let's see how it works. So that's definitely wet. It smears a little bit, but not very much. So if I'm able to find this marker on Amazon, I will link it down below. It does come with a finer tipped side so that you can write smaller. But here you go. That's that marker. So these are the graph sticky notes. The next item we have is the Pomodoro dashboard and tracker board. Okay, so that's the dashboard, and then here we have the tracker board. So let's get into the dashboard first. And it says, the Pomodoro technique is a great method to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. Our new Pomodoro tracker board is dry erase compatible and sized to fit perfectly in your planner. It features a task list with time intervals to keep you on track. Additionally, the Pomodoro dashboard looks fantastic, aesthetically guiding you through your focused experience. So let's start with the dashboard. It says the Pomodoro technique. Number 1, choose a task. Number 2, work 25 minutes. Number 3, break 5 minutes. Number 4, repeat 4 times. Number 5, break 25 minutes. Number 6, complete task. So this is the Pomodoro technique dashboard. And then we have the tracker board. It's going to be a bit difficult to see with all of this lighting here, but it says Pomodoro's up here. There is this table here. There's a section to check off items. We have a column for tasks, and then we have a column that shows you how long and in what stage of this technique you are. So we've got 25 minutes 5, 25 5, 25 5, 25 30. And then up here we have a section for you to enter the date. So this is the Pomodoro dashboard and tracker board. The next item we have are our inserts. Looks like we got a bit this week. So I'm going to start with what's here on top. And it says, use our new weekly schedule inserts alongside the Pomodoro technique, a combination to help you stay productive and on tasks. So we've got this weekly schedule, and it does say that it's undated down here. It says Monday start, hourly schedule, weekly task list, graph notes. So when we open it, we have the 2 graph sheets. Going in, we have our weekly schedule. We've got columns Monday through Sunday. We have timed section here from 5 a.m. to 12 a.m. I guess, yeah, 12 a.m. They are in hour increments. I've got a section for a checklist here, checklist here, checklist here. I really like this. We have week of, and then we've got some space here at the top. So this is the weekly schedule. And then in between each weekly schedule, you have the graph notes. This would be awesome for those people that are like me that love to decorative plan, but also need to be functional, need that space for functionality. And so you would be able to use this section to keep things functional. And then here's your deco. I love it. And then we have several pages of that, and it goes all the way to the end. So this is the weekly schedule inserts. And then what do we have here? 2022 vertical weekly, Sunday start, July and August. So we are going to start seeing the 2023 inserts creeping in, and we have July and August already. So let's go ahead and jump into July. What I noticed is that it does say Sunday start, which is a little different. You know, you typically find inserts with a Monday start. That was the first thing that stood out to me. The second thing that stood out to me is the deco on the front. You know, we don't typically get that with cloth and paper inserts. So we have 7 down here for the 7th month of the year, which is July, of course. We flip open. We have notes on the left. On the right, oh, we've got a new dashboard from Cloth and Paper. I like this. We have 6 sections for our goals, a checklist here on the right, intentions, and bills due. And then we go into our monthly view. So it looks like we lost a little space, obviously, because we have this section down here for important dates and notes. And important dates used to be here on the dashboard page. So we lost a little bit of space, but we have our monthly layout, a side check bar, checklist, or note section, however you choose to use it. And then we have the June calendar and the August calendar here. So let's go ahead and flip through. So we have, oh, I like this. So this is their typical weekly vertical layout, but it looks a little bit cleaner. So we don't have this whole section that's taken up by the calendar. We have our calendar here with the current week highlighted. And we've got a checklist section. And then we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Again, Sunday start. And things are much neater. The day of the week and the date is a lot smaller and up here in the left corner, as opposed to being centered and a lot larger here in the middle. So these are our July inserts. And then we have our typical notes page on the back. So this is the future of cloth and paper. These are what your vertical inserts are going to look like going into 2023. So that's July, and then we know what it looks like, but let's just go ahead and take a peek at August. We have August, our new dashboard layout. I like it. Monthly view. And then it goes into our vertical weekly setup. So those are awesome. These are our July and August new inserts, and it says, updating the way you plan as we move into the middle of the year. We will continue to include one monthly set of vertical weekly Sunday start inserts in our upcoming boxes. So those are our July and August inserts. Alright, y'all, so I know I brought you guys to the end, but there are some things that I forgot. or weren't listed on the back of the what's inside card, we did get this zebra gel pen, the G450 in medium. Y'all, this feels heavy duty, so I like that. That was included in the box, as well as our monthly journaling cards. So let me go ahead and open these up for you guys so you can see them. We have our clear August card. We have the time block method card, and on the back it says focus blocks at the top, 90 to 20 minutes, used when you're especially creative, inspired, and able to do high level work that requires focus. 90 to 120 minutes, used when you're primed and energetically in the right space to meet other people, and that's a social block. And then the admin blocks down. The admin block down here, it says 30 to 60 minutes, used when you're not in the zone to do the work that requires heavy lifting, but there are still other projects you can do effectively. And then the recovery block says variable, used for activities that recharge you, such as exercise, meditation, self-care, and intentionally idling. Who intentionally idles? There's that. And then the last card, we have this cute little cafe card. And on the back it says simplicité, the quality or condition of being easy to understand or do. And then there's the definition in French. So this is the June 2022 cloth and paper stationery subscription box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.